Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
しりとり
which means a Japanese word game where players take turns saying a word that begins with the final sound of the previous word. Let's say it all together.
しりとり
One more time.
しりとり
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. She, re, to, re. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.